Hello hamster gangs, welcome back to SAK-SOON Channel. Today I'm going to tell you what you need to know about sparrows if you ever get one. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to SAK-SOON Channel for more fun and cute videos. Number 1. Sparrows scatter their feathers everywhere, especially when they are molting. You'll be seeing big and small feathers all over the floor. Number 2. Sparrows enjoy bothering you when you try to work. They bite and peck your fingers.
Ah! Stop! Stop! It hurts. Stop. Let me work.
Julie likes chasing the mouse cursor, and it distracts me from work. She likes to attack me randomly and it hurts.
Stop!
Julie likes to try out everything I do after observing me for a long time.
Chili!
Number 3. They eat your skin. Julie loves pulling my hang skin around my nails until it bleeds.
Hurts.
She considers it as a part of my grooming session.
I'm bleeding.
Number 4. The major problem. Pooping. They poop non-stop. They poop every second. They poop everywhere.
You pooped?
No.
Oh my gosh. Am I your bathroom or something? Look at all these poops.
You might want to cover the whole floor if it's carpet. Their poop leaves colorful stains on your carpet or cloth.
살짝? Really? You came to me to poop? Huh?
She checks her poop to see if it's good poop or not. Number 5. You have to learn share your food with your sparrow, or it's gonna be stealing your food the whole time. They love to eat everything, but try to give them only fresh food such as fruits and veggies. Now she's trying to steal my napkin too. And she pooped again. I did not give her that piece of apple. She just took it from my plate and now she's making my desk dirty. She's satisfied. Number 6. Sparrows have beautiful voice. Chili doesn't sing loud, and I love hearing her chirping. Sometimes she talks to me and it's super cute. Number 7. Sparrows are cute. Chili loves being with me all the time. She loves resting on my lap or shoulder. I love you, Chili. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to SAK-SOON Channel if you haven't. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any question, you're welcome to ask me on comments or on my Instagram. My next video is gonna be on Taco's new house magic card, so don't miss it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.